Each piece of leather is guided by hand beneath the needle. Controlling the thread tension, the distance of the stitching, and the consistency of every single stitch. The traditional machine sets the rhythm, but it is the artisan who defines the precision. We work with leathers of the highest quality, where every cut requires knowledge, sensitivity, and experience. The result is not measured only by a perfect stitch, but by the harmony of the entire shoe. A technical gesture, repeated again and again, almost like an eternal loop.